Hello everyone, I am pleased to welcome you to the first episode of an interesting cooking show called Low Budget Chef. It is a cooking show that will be teaching our viewers how to cook on a very low and strict budget and also educate them on the nutritional values of these delicious meals. This show is trying to solve a problem of zero hunger, which is number 2 of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. I want to help households to save money and feed well. I'd like to encourage everyone watching to have an open mind and always try out our recipes at home. Expect new and sizzling videos every single week of the month. Happy viewing. Hello again. Today's recipe is Zobo drink. We are going to be making 4-liter Zobo drink for the weekend with the budget of 1,000 Naira. Is it possible? Join me to find out. To make Zobo drink 4-liter in 15 minutes, the following ingredients will be required: Zobo leaf, half mudu, Cocumber, 2 average sizes, Tiara berries flavor, 2 sachets, cloves, 2 tablespoons, ginger, 3 tablespoons, sugar, 1 tin. First thing first, when you are making your Zobo drink, we are going to make 4 liters, so we'll add water. After adding water, adding our water. This is ginger and clove. Put to the water. Allow it to cook. Our Zobo leaf is cooked. We are going to turn off the heat and then add grated cucumber in it without allowing it to cook. So, allowing it to cook. This is the next thing to add. We are adding our cucumber. Mom? When sieving your Zobo, you don't press it. Just sieve it and allow the water to drain. And you press it, making the water to come out faster. It's going to help precipitate while you are drinking it. After sieving it, it's time to add my Tiara. I'm going to add 2. I'm going to test it to feel if sugar is enough. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, just like a cup of sugar. The drink is ready to be refrigerated. Thank you all for watching. Please try this at home and let me know how it goes.